For the CircuitPython Parsec today, I would like to talk about using an indexed color from a palette to create transparency. So what you can see here, I have an image up inside of Sprite, which is a little pixel editing, image editing software. It's this image of Adafruit on this pink background. And in the left window, you can see the palette of colors that I'm using here. So the second color, this is indexed 0, so we'll call that number 1. Color number 1 is this pink background. When I have a sprite in display I/O and I want to show it in front of something else but cut out portions of it or make portions of it transparent, I can use the make transparent command and then tell it one of the index colors from that color palette. So if I run this program, you'll see I'm creating a little background that has sort of a yellow-green and then a bunch of circles on it. And then I have the same Adabot BMP that you see there, but I'm selectively telling it to make color number 1 transparent, so that pink is disappearing. Now we can pick other colors if we want. So if we look at, I think it's color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, let me move the palette so I can see it. I think color 3 is the blue of Adabot's head, or 0, 1, 2 will be the color number. So if I look in my code here for a transparency index, I can change that, what did I say, to number 3 and resave. And now we're going to selectively make Adabot's head transparent, leaving the, oh, it's actually the chest part there. So let's try some others. So you can see which blue I used. Is that it? There we go. And also one of the antennae. So the way this is done in CircuitPython, and let me resave this as color 1 as that's going. Okay, is I'm going to import all of the display things I need. This happens to be a display using SPI, a little TFT display. It's 320 by 240. Create the display, grab an image off of disk, which is this BMP of Adabot. And then I'm going to create the background as a bitmap. I'm also going to create a bunch of circles. So I have a little randomizing script here, grabbing from a few different colors with a few sizes. So we put about 40 circles up on the screen. Create those as vector I/O circles. And then I'm going to grab this image off of disk, which happens to be adabot1.bmp, and I'm going to grab the image and the palette from the file through the file load. Then I can call the palette here as screen2, it's the second or third object, pixel shader. So once we have that pixel shader grabbed, we can make a palette for it. So my transparent index number here, 1, I'm going to say display the image, so we load that right up away. But then in the main loop, as we're cycling through that, we wait, speed, I have 1.6 seconds of hold, and then I say from that palette, right there you can see that palette that we grabbed off of that particular image object, from that palette we're going to make transparent one of the colors. In this case it is color 1 based on this transparent index. Then I wait another 1.5 seconds or so and make it opaque. So you can use the make transparent and the make opaque. Now, one of the neat things is that you don't have to be limited to just a single color. So in this case, I'm going to make both the background and the face disappear by saying the index and index +1, which just happens to be the next color is the blue that's used in Adabot's face. And so you can use this for every color in your index or use it selectively, but you can see it works really nicely. It's great for effects in games and things, and you don't have to have a bunch of different images. You don't have to do any sort of real-time processing. You can just simply say, knock out this color, and we're going to see what's behind it. And so that is how you can use a transparent index color from a palette of a BMP inside of CircuitPython. And that is your CircuitPython Parsec.